Right, hello everyone, you joined me at Steall Waterfall. It took 3 hours to get here. It's a bit of a wet one today. The weather forecast didn't say this was going to happen. However, we're here now, so we're going to make the most of it. But the car park's surprisingly busy for being a wet day. However, it is the Easter weekend, so maybe that attracts a lot of folks like myself. But yeah, we're going to head to the waterfall, find camp for the night. I'm soaked. We're 20 minutes in and I'm soaked. Just did not expect it to be this wet. It was supposed to be sunny on the forecast, but we'll keep going, see what happens. Hopefully that's the sun coming out over there. I'm praying the sun comes out. The path itself, it's quite a straightforward path, but there's a few rocky bits, a few like tiny waterfalls that go through the path, which is quite cool. But all in all, it's quite a good path and it's good scenery. On my way here, it's just amazing how many people you see stopping to get a photo, you see them camping, you see them hiking, and it's all for the scenery. It's just beautiful. It makes you feel good when you're seeing all that, you're seeing families, and they're all doing it because of Scotland. Made me feel good as well, because I'm coming out here to do the same thing, to explore Scotland, to get it on video, so just shows you how amazing it really is. There she is. We have made it to Steall Waterfall, second highest waterfall in Scotland. The skies have definitely cleared up now, brightened up a bit, which will make the night a wee bit better. Now I just need to get a bit closer and find camp, and that'll be me for the night. I've got a few Guinnesses that I'll treat myself to when I get there, make some dinner. And yeah, all good. There's also a rope bridge that I want to show you. That'd be really cool, but maybe go on it later on when there's not that many people here. The only bummer about this place is there's no service. I've got no service all night, which means it's just me and this big waterfall. But it should be good. Like I said, it's Easter weekend, so I think it will still be busy. There's a few tents up. I can only see one tent. I don't know. Don't know where else there is to camp. They might have just took the best spot. It is pretty good where they are. Wow. I'll spin the camera around quickly. So the orange tent. I have to say it's a very chilled spot. Just look at this. It's right in the middle of nowhere. This is great. Now I'm just going to spot out my best place for camp. I've got a lot of flat ground here, but do I want to be near the waterfall, or the sun's definitely came out now. It's a lot better. Just look at this place. This is where I'll be spending the night, Saturday night. I'm still to try the rope bridge. It's quite busy there now, so I'll wait maybe get camped and I can go back later on. But no, this is amazing. Well, I just went over the rope bridge and it's a lot slippier than you think, especially if I've got like 15 kg on my back and it was all over the place. I thought I was going to fall. Couldn't get it on video because I'm not going to put my phone down, go over and come back over like most people do, but maybe I'll get it on the way back when it's quieter. We're over now though, we're going to get closer to the waterfall. So when you're over the river, there's a wee hut here that you can actually book out if anyone's interested. You'll never believe it. I don't know if you can hear me, but my second mic is now broke. I was going to turn my phone on because I've now reached the waterfall and it's very cool close up.
That was close.
There we have it. That was a close-up of the waterfall. A lot bigger in person than it is on the camera probably. Really cool though. Now just look at this. Look at how the weather's turned out to be after it was this morning. Clear sky, so now I'm going to head back over. There's not a lot of places to camp on this side, it's quite marshy. So I'm going to head back over the rope bridge, try to get on video with the backpack on. And I'm either going to camp over there, or I'm going to camp by the rope bridge. There's a nice wee spot by the water, by the rope bridge, so that might be the one I choose. I've missed it a wee guys, probably. Is it going to fall? Oh. Oh no. Poor guy's going to get soaking. Oh, he's done, he may as well let go. Can he swim? Am I going to have to dive in there after him? Oh.
Do you want this back over there? Pete, do you have another right?
No.
Do you want me to bring this back over?
Oh, yeah.
No.
Right, I'm going to be setting up camp here for the night. A nice flat bit of ground. Got the waterfall in the background. Should be a good place to camp. Let's get a tent up. The good thing about today, there's no wind, which is like a really big bonus. It should be dry for the rest of the night, so I'm looking forward to this.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on.
It's time to get some dinner. People are wondering what my dinner is. It's going to be simple, nice and simple. It's going to be lentil soup with packet mashed potatoes. Just add water to it. And I'm going to have some gravy with that. And I've got a few snacks here and there, but nice and simple, nothing too challenging to make, hopefully. But no, I'm really enjoying this. This is really good. It's just peaceful. There's no service. There's no noise except from that waterfall. And yeah, it's all calm. It's really calm, which is what I like. And hopefully it shouldn't be windy tonight. It should be nice and calm. Don't rain a lot, and I can get a good night's sleep. Oh, nice one. I've got some campers next to me as well. They're camping up beside me. They won't be able to hear me, but that's a nice comfort feeling when you know you've got people next to you camping. That is dinner been consumed. I'm now going to go clean my pots and pans and that, clean my cup, tidy up a wee bit, and then I'm going to sit on the other side, have a drink and just enjoy the night. I'm going to sit around this side of the tent, enjoy the view. I might even get a wee fire going later on as well. Maybe have a wee hunt for some sticks and that. Right, so I'm out here looking for sticks for the fire, and I've stumbled across something Very cool. Have a look at that. That's obviously some sort of animal. Oh wow. Look at that, you can still see the teeth. Very cool. It's my first ever skull I've seen. First ever wild animal skull I've seen. I'm guessing there's no humans like this. It's either got to be a deer or a sheep. One of the two. I'm leaning towards a sheep. But I don't know how old it is. The teeth look insane. And yeah, it's very cool to see. If anyone knows what kind of animal it is, let me know down in the comments, because it's very cool to see in person. It's like a dinosaur, it's like a mini dinosaur. But yeah, very cool. Another good find on this trip. Oh. Hello buddy. They're going over to their next victims. They've just cruised by me, seen that I've got nothing for them, and they're like that. Boof, these guys have got something, I'm going over to them. Look at them go. They are off, they're soaring. Look at them, they know exactly where they're going. So it's getting a wee bit dark, it's 7:30. It's a bit chilly as well, so the ideal solution for that is to get a fire going. Now, I've managed to get some firewood. I did bring some kindling myself and some firelighters just so it's a wee bit easier to get the fire going. So the fire, it's on rocks, it's surrounded by rocks, it's not going to damage the wildlife. It's going to be a small fire, it's only going to be going for an hour or two, and it'll be really nice just to see me off till bed. I can get the fire going and I can watch the waterfall in the distance and maybe get some music on and have a few beers. So that'll be my plan for tonight. I'll show you as I get going.
Eyes in the sky, gazing far into the night. I raise my hand to the fire, but it's no use, 'cause you can't stop it from shining through. It's true, baby, let the light shine through.
Amazing.
Won't you let the light shine through for you, for you, for you, for you, for you, won't you let the light shine through?
Oh, good morning. It's 7 o'clock. Time to get up, get the tent packed away. I was going to have some porridge, but I can't be bothered making it. So I've got some yogurt, a pouch of yogurt and Weetabix on the go, so I'm going to have that. We can get the tent down, have a look at the waterfall one last time, then we're going to go and head home. Been a great trip, I've enjoyed myself. I had a really good sleep. I slept the whole way through. I only got up once to the toilet, and I had earplugs so I didn't hear the waterfall, which is really beneficial as well for a good night's sleep. Oh, it's a very good morning. Nice breeze, dry. There's a few clouds in the sky, but not that much. As I'm packing up here, I've realised we might have got up early enough for the sun to rise over the mountain. So I'm going to set my phone up while I finish the last bit of tidying up and packing up, and we'll see if we can capture the sun rising over the mountain. And there we have it, finally packed up here at Steall Waterfall. It's been a great trip. I don't think we're going to catch the sun rising over the mountain, it's kind of heading that way. I don't know what that way is, but it's heading that way. And then it'll rise up that way. But yeah, very cool place to camp. The great thing with camping is you can camp anywhere, especially places like this where it's just beautiful. You get to go to sleep with it, and you get to wake up in the morning with the same view. It's unreal. If anyone knows a good spot, leave it down in the comment and I can go there next and try that. But this has been up there, one of the best places I've ever been to camp, to walk. It's just beautiful, everything about it. Time to head back to the car. It's going to be about a 30-minute walk, but it's a lovely day for it. The biggest thing I achieved from coming here was surviving with no service. No 4G, no Wi-Fi. Oh my god, I've done it though, I've done it. Just me in the wild. Nah, I was actually alright. I think maybe a few days I'd probably lose my mind, but nah, I enjoyed every minute of it. Oh, very nice. That is us almost back at the car park. It's been a great trip. Highly recommend to anyone who wants to come. It's an easy place to get to. It's one road to the car park. Just type in the name on Google Maps. One road to the car park. It's a easy enough path to get to the waterfall. It's just one path. It takes about half an hour. It's great if there's a family going, you've got your mate, you've got anyone you want to take, it'll be great. Especially during summer, it'll be even better. So I do highly recommend coming to this place. It's very easy to get to. It's a great location, 100%. And that'll be me for this video. Like I said, if there's anywhere that you guys recommend, please let me know in the comments, and cheers.